Turn an ordinary toilet into a smart toilet. It'll only take a few seconds. Clean the key surface. Tear the double-sided tape and secure it. Stick the bottom Velcro. Attach the Velcro to the flash sensor. Install flash sensor. Hook and loop fastener. Turn on the flash. Just swing your hand. It will flash automatically. Can reduce the risk of infection. Health hygiene. Tear the tape and attach the sensor. Turn on the sensor power switch. Install the sensor. Adjust the sensing angle. The sensor sends a signal when the person is seated and flash automatically when people leave. Did you suddenly become smart? After the flash runs out of power, take off the flash sensor and turn it off. Open the dust cover and charge for it. The indicator lights up and charging begins. After finished charging, reinstall the flash sensor and hook the fastener. Easy, quick installation. Come on, let us enjoy the smart home.